Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name is Josh. I'm going to give you a tour of this Volkswagen Caravelle Executive. So this is a short wheelbase 199 PS 2 litre 7-speed DSG. So we'll start at the front there. You've got your headlights. You see just down there you've got your front parking sensors. Around to the side you've got your 17-inch alloy wheels. As you can see you've got your chrome strip down the side there. Coming into the driver's side you can see you've got your heated and folding wing mirror controls. You've got your automatic headlight switch. And as you can see this vehicle has only done 2,332 miles. You've got your leather multifunction steering wheel there. Just in the middle, you've got your DAB digital radio. Got your media. Select your source down here, so you've got a few different options there. You've got aux, Bluetooth, USB. Connect your phone via Bluetooth. Your navigation system. App Connect for connecting via USB. So you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and MirrorLink. And then you've got your menu just there. Just there, you've got your button for your parking sensors. So you can see you've got front and rear sensors. You've got your air conditioning controls in the middle, and your heated seats, which are separately controlled for both sides. To the side of that you've got your electrically operated doors, so you press this button, as you can see they open there, press it again and they close. You also got the option to do this via the key as well. So you've got your 7-speed DSG shifter there, and just to the left of that you've got your storage compartment with a USB and a 12-volt socket, another storage compartment at the top, and you've got one here with a USB and an aux slot in. Got your glove box just there. And as you can see, you've got nice carpeted floors. On the seats here, you've got suede and leather with armrests on both sides for the front seats. And to the side, you can see it's finished in candy white solid paint. To pull the door, just pull the handle, and the door will open. You see, you've got the same seats in the second row here with armrest, and in the middle, you've got a table which folds away and pushes down when you don't need it. You've got your air conditioning vents and lights in the roof there, just for extra comfort for the passengers in the back. And as you can see, you've got a third row of seats as well, so you've got 7 seats in total. Coming around to the back, you've got your tailgate with window. You've got your rear parking sensors across the back there. You see, if we open the tailgate, got your 3 seats in the third row there, 2 in the second and 2 in the front. Close this up and then come round to the passenger side. As you can see, you've got a sliding door on this side as well with chrome strip all the way across. Same to open this door, just pull the handle and it'll open on its own. Got your seats just there, cup holders down there, and then you've got your 3 seats there. Same way to close that, just pull the handle and it'll close. You've got your diesel and your AdBlue fill-up points. And then you've got a view of the cab there from the passenger side. If you would like any more information about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 01772 911 356. Thank you for watching.